Ouch. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday and it's really very good day to make a little trip, so we decided with my guys to go to some waterfall and actually take our 35mm camera, and I hope we take a really good photo. Hello.
Так що, надо чи не надо, брати чи не брати?
We are finally come to the waterfall. So let's walk. Hello. Hello. How are you?
Like.
No swimming. So we are here. It's a little bit cold here, but air so fresh. Oh my gosh, I really like it. I really enjoy it. We are finally come here and look, it's so beautiful. Beautiful. No. Cold. It's very cold. And red hands.
Left foot.
Red hands. Left foot. We are finished here and now go back to our car, and then I guess we go to the gas station again, buy one more cup of coffee, I don't know, and go home. It was very cold. My red hands. Ew.
Упаковка булки.
Wow! back, and like I said before, I'm not sure if I will film something today because light, light, but maybe, I don't know. Good morning, it's the next day and it's totally Monday, I guess. Yeah, and I'm still a sleepy head, but it's 10 a.m. or 10:30 even. I'm not sure, but anyway, I guess I have some plans for today, but I'm not in this condition to tell something right now because I need to drink my morning coffee and finally wake up.
Голі смішні. Тільки на екрану нема дивитися. Так, на яку заправку? На ту, що по путі марш. Вчорашня.
Like I said before, I'm a coffee addicted person, so we come to Stewart's again because I need more coffee in my life. Actually, we just come to Marshall's and I even don't know what I want to buy. Hello, sugar daddy, hello.
Писивай видео бистро. Бистро я не успеваю. Хули,
Просто cable.
просто charge. Йо.
По
новой.
Ой, щибаль больно. So we just come back from Marshall's and I didn't find anything for myself and we just bought a cable for Corina and now we'll go to find some place where I can practice parallel parking because I guess I said it before. Tomorrow I'll have my road test and I want to try to practice on parallel parking because it's not very hard for me, but I think it will be good to practice. I lie to you, your profile just come up to my friend suggestion for some reason and I could check it out. Honestly, you do have a lot of marvelous picture and you have a cool sense of style and I admire it and keep shining like this. Oh shit.
Скажи, Ритвик. Давай не вийшло, на жаль.
have a problem because we found some very tasty veg waffles, but we can't find them anywhere. not in Market City 2, not in Walmart, and not in another grocery store. And it's so, so sad. So it's finally snowy again. And actually it's so beautiful. I don't know why, but I really love snowy days. Now we are going home. We are come back home and it's so beautiful outside. I really like when it's snowy days on winter, because actually I'm not sure if I really like this season, except New Year and Christmas. But if it's snowy day, oh my gosh, it's really very beautiful. By the way, I don't know what I plan to do right now. I don't know. Oh, say hi. Hello. Want to learn new video editing program and find some good tutorials, so I try to use this program for this vlog.
У голого ще є секрети, в обілованого ні.
На півночі таке заборонено.
Ми не на півночі.
Тортур не буде.
Високі ідеали. Це шлях для переможного війська.
У Ланністерів теж є заручники.